Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarada Devi Maths Classes. Today we will do question number 5 onwards in exercise 1D of chapter 1 Rational and Irrational Numbers. Fifth question is state true or false. In the first sub question, negative of an irrational number is irrational. In this case we are taking this x as a plus root b, where this b is not a perfect square. If this b is a perfect square, for example, if this is root 9, this is a perfect square. So answer is 3. This is rational number because this can be written as 3 by 1, p by q form, where q not equal to 0. So in this case we are taking root b, where b is not a perfect square. So this is irrational. Then we want to find negative of that irrational number. So this implies minus of x is equal to minus of a plus root b, and that is minus a, minus into plus is minus root b. Now which is irrational number? Because this root b is irrational. Why? Because this b is not a perfect square. So this root b is irrational. That means minus a minus root b is also irrational. That means minus x is irrational number. So negative of an irrational number is an irrational number. So our statement is true. Second sub question is the product of a non-zero rational number and an irrational number is a rational number. We have to state whether it is true or false. For that, let us take x as a non-zero rational number. So let x be p by q, where this q not equal to 0. P also not equal to 0 because it is stated that it's a non-zero rational number. If p is equal to 0, 0 by q, then this is 0. 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 1, 2, 3, etc. 0 by an integer. So here it is given that it's a non-zero rational number. So we are taking p and q not equal to 0. Then let y be a plus root b, where this b is not a perfect square. Root b is an irrational number because b is not a perfect square. Now we want their product. So product is x into y, that is xy, that is equal to p by q into a plus root b. Now on distributing p by q, we will get p by q into a, that is pa by q plus p by q into root b. Here this is a rational number, but as this b is not a perfect square, this root b is an irrational number. So p by q into an irrational number is also a rational number, and a rational number plus that irrational number also will be irrational. So xy is clearly an irrational number. So our statement, what is given? It is given that the product of a non-zero rational number and an irrational number is a rational number. That statement is wrong because it is an irrational number. So this is false. Now the sixth question is draw a line segment of length root 3 centimeter. So before drawing this line segment root 3, we will draw the line segment root 2. Let us discuss the Pythagoras theorem. If this is A, B, C, a triangle, and AB is of length 1 and BC is of length 1, then Pythagoras theorem is this is base, this is altitude, and this is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse, AB is base, and BC is altitude. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So this is equal to base is 1 centimeter. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So what is hypotenuse? That is square root of 2. So by using that concept, we will draw root 2 at first. For that, let us draw a line like this and mark points on it. We will take 2 centimeter as 1 unit. If you want, you can take 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Now I have drawn it with a pen. You have to use pencil only. I am marking points like the 0, -1, here 1, 2, 3, etc. And I'm taking 1 unit as in this case. This is 1 unit. Then we will draw a perpendicular to this number line through this 1. So I'm drawing perpendicular. From 1, draw a small semicircle, and from this point we have to cut this arc, small arc again here also we have to draw, and from the first arc draw another small arc above this point 1, and from the second arc also to draw a small arc so that will cut the first arc. So that is this. Now I'm drawing it with a pen. This is arc and this is the intersecting point. Now we will join this one and the intersecting point. So a line we have to draw like this. Now this is a perpendicular line. In that we have to take 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, all are 1 unit. So from this point we have to cut this perpendicular here and mark the point as A, and I am marking this as B, this is O. Now join this O to A. Now in compass take this length O to A, this is O to A, OA, and draw it down so that this arc meet the number line here. I am marking this as P. What is this length OA? OA is like this, 1 square plus 1 square. This is base 1 unit, this also 1 unit. So this is like this root 2. Now using the circle technique we know that if this is center of a circle, if this is a circle and this is a circumference, from the center the distance to the circumference of the circle will be the same, that is a radius. So by using that technique here, this is an arc and this is the center of the circle. So from this O to this circumference the length will be the same. Here we got this is root 2. So clearly this length OP is also root 2. We will mark this as root 2. So we have marked the line segment of length root 2. Now we want root 3. So for that again we will draw another triangle with the base root 2 and altitude 1 unit. Then what will be this hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to square root of root 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root of 2 plus 1, that is root 3. So this will be root 3. So for that we have to take the base as root 2 and the altitude as 1 unit. So from this point we have to draw a perpendicular, that is we have to draw a perpendicular to the number line through this point P. So again we have to take the compass and place it here at P and draw a small arc here so that it meets the number line at 2 points, and again from this point draw another small arc so that it cut the first arc, and from the second point also one more arc here. So this is the intersecting point. Now join this P to this intersecting point so that this will be the perpendicular to the number line through this point P. Now we will take 1 unit here also. So take 1 unit in compass, 2 to 3 we can take, that is 1 unit, and then place it here at P and draw a marking on this perpendicular. So it cut here and we will mark this point as C. Now join this O to C. So this is 1 unit and this length is root 2. OP is root 2 and PC, that is 1 centimeter. This is root 2 centimeter. Now we will join this O to C. This is OC. Now take this length OC in this compass and draw it down to the number line so that it meet the number line here. Let it be P dash. Now what is this length OC? OC is like this root 3 because base is root 2 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. So this length is root 3. Now this OP dash also will be root 3 using the circle technique because this is radius. Here also it is radius of length root 3. So this much OP dash also will be root 3. centimeter. So we have drawn a line segment, that is OP dash, that is equal to root 3 centimeter. Seventh question is, draw a line segment of length root 8 centimeter. Here, if this is a triangle of base 2 centimeter and altitude 2 centimeter, then as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square, that is 2 square, plus altitude square, that is 2 square, equal to root of 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. That will give you root 8. Hypotenuse will be root 8. So as in our question, in order to draw a line segment of length root 8 centimeter, we have to get the length of the hypotenuse as root 8 centimeter at first. So for that, we have to draw a triangle with the base 2 centimeter and altitude 2 centimeter. So first of all, let us draw a line. So this is the line where we have to mark 2 centimeter as one unit. Here I have marked 0, minus 1, 2, 3, etc. Now let us take 2 centimeter from 0 to centimeter and draw a perpendicular to the number line through this 2. Now take a compass and place it here on 2. Then draw a small arc here so that it meets the number line at 2 points. Here this and this. And then from here draw an arc cutting the first arc, then again one more arc from that intersecting point. Then from here draw a small arc above 2, and from the second intersecting point also draw a small arc intersecting the, and that also above this point 2. Now join this intersecting point and 2 with a line. So this is the line joining this intersecting point and 2, and which is perpendicular to the number line. Take 2 units in the compass and place the needle on 2 and draw a marking on the perpendicular here, that is 2 centimeter. So this is the marking here. Let this point be O, and this be A, and this point be B. Now join O to B. So I am joining these 2 points. Now what is this base? Base is 2 centimeter. That is OA, that is 2 centimeter. And what is this AB? AB, that also we took as 2 centimeter. Now what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is like this, root of 2 square plus 2 square, that is root 8. So this length is root 8. Now measure 0 to B, that length in compass. So place the compass at O and measure this OB and draw an arc down so that it meets the number line here. Now let this point be P. So if this is root 8, any length from O to this circumference will be root 8 only. So this also that length root 8, that is a radius. So this length is root 8 centimeter, that is OP. OP is equal to root 8 centimeter. Thus we have drawn the line segment OP of length root 8 centimeter on the number line. Now the 8th question is, show that 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus 2 by 5 plus root 3 plus 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 2 by 5 minus root 3 is equal to 52 by 11. So here we have to take the left hand side, solve it and show that that is the same as 52 by 11, the right hand side. So let us take the left hand side. LHS is equal to 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus 2 by 5 plus root 3 plus 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 2 by 5 minus root 3. Now let us take each term, and here we can see that the denominator of each term is included root. So we have to rationalize each term at the same time. So let us write 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Here in order to divide of that, we have to take the conjugate. What is that? 4 minus root 5. Here we have multiplied. The numerator also we have to multiply 4 minus root 5. Now take the second term, that is plus 2 by 5 plus root 3. Here the conjugate of 5 plus root 3 is 5 minus root 3. Is multiply here the numerator also into 5 minus root 3. Now plus 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5. Then that into conjugate of 4 minus root 5, that is 4 plus root 5. The numerator also 4 plus root 5. Now the last term, that is 2 by 5 minus root 3. Conjugate of 5 minus root 3, that is 5 plus root 3. The numerator also into 5 plus root 3. Now let us take the first one, that is 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. So 4 minus root 5 square divided by, denominator is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 4 square minus root 5 square. Now the second term is 2 into 5 minus root 3. That is 2 into 5 is 10 minus 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 divided by, here also a plus b into a minus b. So 5 square minus root 3 square. Now plus 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5. That is 4 plus root 5 whole square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b form. So 4 square minus root 5 square. Now that plus last term, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b form. So 5 square minus root 3 square. Now this is equal to a minus b whole square form. So a square, that is 4 square plus root 5 square minus 2 into 4 into root 5 divided by 4 square is 16 minus root 5 square is 5. That plus 10 minus 2 root 3 divided by 5 square is 25 minus root 3 square is 3 plus 4 plus root 5 square, that is 4 square plus root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 divided by 4 square, that is 16 minus root 5 square is 5 plus the last term is 10 plus 2 root 3 divided by 5 square 25 minus root 3 square is 3. Now this is equal to 16 plus root 5 square is 5 minus 2 into 4 into root 5, that is 8 root 5 divided by 16 minus 5, that is 11 plus 10 minus 2 root 3 divided by 25 minus 3, that is 22. Then that plus 16 plus root 5 square is 5 plus 2 into 4, 8. Then root 5 divided by 16 minus 5, that is 11. Then plus 10 plus 2 root 3 divided by 25 minus 3, that is 22. That is equal to 16 plus 5, that is 21 minus 8 root 5 divided by 11 plus we can take 2 outside of the numerator. So 5 minus root 3 divided by 22 plus 16 plus 5, that is 21 plus 8 root 5 divided by 11 plus 2 we can take out of this last term. So 2 into 5 plus root 3 divided by 22. We can cancel 2 and 22. Here it is 11. Here also we can cancel 2 and 22, 11. So that is equal to 21 minus 8 root 5 divided by 11 plus 5 minus root 3 divided by 11 plus 21 minus 8 root 5 divided by 11 plus 5 plus root 3 divided by 11. In all these cases, denominator is 11. So 11 we can take as common denominator. So just add the numerators. 21 minus 8 root 5 plus 5 minus root 3 plus 21 minus 8 root 5 plus 5 plus root 3. Here this is plus 8 root 5. Here also plus 8 root 5. This one. So minus 8 root 5 and plus 8 root 5 we can cancel, minus root 3 and root 3 we can cancel. So So what is remaining? 21 plus 5 plus 21 plus 5 divided by 11. That is equal to 21 plus 5. That is 26. Here also 21 plus 5, 26. 26 plus 26 is 52 divided by 11. That is the same as right hand side. So we can write hence proved. Okay students, thank you very much for watching the video. Practice all these questions thoroughly. Soon I will come back with the next video. Till then, bye bye.